Falling on the third Sunday of June, International Father's Day will be celebrated on June 20 this year. Although most sons and daughters don't need a specific date to celebrate the most important man in their life, every dad in the world does get his special day on the calendar. Have you ever wondered how Father's Day came to be? It's more than a hallmark holiday. Father's Day have two histories associated with it. It was first celebrated after the worst mining accident in the United States. The first known Father's Day service occurred in Fairmont, West Virginia on July 5, 1908, after hundreds of men died in the worst mining accident in United States history. Mrs. Grace Golden Clayton, the daughter of a dedicated reverend, wanted to honor the many fathers who had died in the mining explosion, which killed more than 360 men and boys and left about 1,000 children fatherless. Although the Fairmont service was the first known to honor fathers, it did not turn into an annual event, nor was the idea promoted. Several other people across the nation had similar ideas throughout the years, but Mrs. Sonora Smart Dodd is credited for being the one to popularize it. In 1909, Sonora Smart Dodd of Spokane, Washington, was inspired by Anna Jarvis and the idea of Mother's Day. Sonora's father, William Jackson Smart, a farmer and Civil War veteran, was also a single parent who raised Sonora and her 5 brothers by himself, after his wife Ellen died giving birth to the youngest child. While attending a Mother's Day church service in 1909, Sonora came up with the idea. Mrs. Dodd proposed the date of Father's Day celebration as 5th of June, as it was her father's birthday. But the ministers chose the third Sunday in the June so that they would have more time after Mother's Day to prepare their sermons. Thus, on June 19, 1910, the first Father's Day event commenced. Slowly, the holiday spread, and now around 100 countries in the world, including America, United Kingdom, Canada, India, Argentina, France, Greece, Ireland, Mexico, Singapore, South Africa, and Venezuela, celebrates Father's Day on 3rd Sunday of June. While in Australia and New Zealand, Father's Day is on 1st Sunday in September, which is the first Sunday of spring there. In Thailand, Father's Day is celebrated on former king's birthday on December 5th. While in Russia, it is on 23rd of February, the day of establishment of Red Army during Russian Civil War. Brazilian dads are honored on the second Sunday of August. Traditionally, Catholic countries such as Spain and Portugal, Father's Day is observed on March 19, the feast of Saint Joseph. Father's Day celebration. Father's Day is a relatively modern holiday, so different families have different traditions. This can range from a simple phone call or greeting card to a large parties honoring all father figures in an extended family. Father figures can include fathers, stepfathers, father-in-law, grandfathers, great-grandfathers, and even other male relatives. As stated earlier, we don't need a single day to celebrate the most important person in our life, but equally it is also important that he gets rewarded for the selfless love and tireless efforts he does, and for the love he has for his children. Once again, a very happy Father's Day to the backbone and superhero of a family. It is said that a father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. Happy Father's Day once again.